Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. This is Monisha and you're watching my channel Monisha Daughters. Today we're going to recreate this photograph in my style, and this is my first try on water droplets. So let's see how it came out. And today here we're going to use Dome's oil pastel color, and I'm using the green shades and some bit of blue, white and black. And here I'm doing the sketching with the green color pencil, the olive green, and the basic sketching was done. And here are the colors which I'm going to use. And first layer was done, and the detailing work was done with color pencils. And this picture was taken from one of my Instagram friend. His profile name is planet underscore capture, and I find this picture is very interesting, and he or she has many more reference in her in her profile. You can visit his page, and you also can get some reference from his profile. So, and I'm very thankful for this beautiful picture. So let's see the process and enjoy the process. I hope you'll get the understand the process, and you can uh, write me in my comment section that whether you like it or not, and how do you find this recreation. And here I want to mention the colors also, that I'm using the light green and olive green, dark olive green, and some bit of, I have already said I think, and some bit of blue. That blue is cobalt blue, and black and white somewhere. And in some places I have used that black glass marking pencil, because in minute areas and edges I need to apply very small portions and need very sharp you know cuttings. So for that I'm using that one. If you don't have, then you can just draw a you have to be a bit careful about while you are using your oil pastel black. Okay, so here for droplets I'm using blue color pencil that I have, and that is for reflection only, and it will create realistic look for that. So, and for smaller areas edges, I'm using that earbud for smudging. So you can also use earbuds for smaller area smudging purpose. So this is all I want to tell you. And I'm for your knowledge, I'm already shared all the materials in my description box. You can find all the details from there. If you want, you can directly click the link and go to the the online site for that particular product. So I hope you will like this process, and let me know in the comment section whether you like it or not. And uh, if you really like it, please hit the like button, and who are all new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give your precious comments. Thank you, and take care, and stay blessed. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Enjoy the video. Here I'm using corrector or whitener, you can say, or you can use white gel pen or ball pen for this. The gel pen was called as roll gel pen, so that was also you can use. So by this by using of this whitener and black glass marking pencil, all the water droplets get the highlight and look more prominent. So this is the end process, and now it is almost done. Almost means it's all done. Some, for an artist there is I don't know what is the stop point. I keep doing and and don't know where to stop. So this is the end result. I hope you will like it, and please do like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.